Hi students, today's topic is Platyhelminthes. These commonly called as flatworms. Now we are looking to general characters of these flatworms. That the grid of organization, which is organ and organ system grid of organization. You can see on the slide here planaria is there and here tapeworm are there. These are dorso-ventrally it's a flattened. That's the reason called as a Platyhelminthes. And here symmetry is the undercomes the bilateral symmetry. When we cut the animal in particular axis mid sagittal plane, we'll get the two halves. That's the reason called as a bilateral symmetry. And here these undercomes the triploblastic organisms which have a three germ layers: outer ectodermis and middle mesodermis and endodermis. So these are the triploblastic organisms. When you are talk about coelom, which is the acoelomites, there is no coelom. So here see in that gut and muscular layer, mesoderm and body wall. In middle that mesenchyma there. That's the reason there is no coelom. And here habit and habitat, which mainly aquatic, lives in water, and some are endoparasites. Very few are the free living. They can cause diseases in human as well as other animals that act as endoparasites. Some are free swimming organisms. And digestive system, which is an incomplete digestive system. Okay, here is the only one opening which serves as a both mouth and anus. Here see in this eyes are present anterior part, and mouth and anus is the in one third, three third of the part of the body, and is as a pharynx. It has a gastrovascular cavity is there, which is the branched, highly branched system is there. And here respiratory system is absent through the body surface only happens. Circulatory system also absent in these animals. And here reproduction, fragmentation we can see in the planaria. That's planaria has a high regeneration capacity. That's one of the adaptation for the parasites. And here asexual mode is the fragmentation, and sexual mode also there. And these are the hermaphrodites because of male and female organ systems are in the only one animal. And fertilization is the internal fertilization. Development is indirect. It has some larval forms are there, many larval stages also there. That's the reason this undercomes the indirect development. And what are the unique features of the Platyhelminthes, which is the unsegmented dorso-ventrally flat-ended body. That's the reason they look like a tape, called as a tapeworms. Look like a tapeworms, right? And here excretion, it has a flame cells are there, which are undercomes the type is the protonephridia. It's look like a flame. Nucleus is there and cytoplasmic process and branch cells. These carry out the osmoregulation as well as the excretion. That's known as a flame cells. That's a unique feature. And here parasite which lives in the animal body, means host body, they need to adapt in different ways. For that, hooks and suckers are there, which are adhesive organs, are the attached organs to the internal intestine or the any body wall into the host. And here it will be absorb the nutrients from the host to the body surface. And reduced digestive system is reduced or absent. Here they given an example: Tinea solium, pork tapeworm. This is the Tinea solium is the pork tapeworm. That it is host is the human as well as the pig. Fasciola hepatica, liver fluke, and planaria. Here general characters at a glance you see here. Grade of organization, organ grade, and symmetry is a bilateral. Germ layers are the three triploblastic, and these all the things. And these examples have to remember in the examination purpose, very important. And here is a flame cell diagram is there here, that how it is manage the excretion and as well as the osmoregulation. That's about the platyhelminthes. I hope you understood. Thank you.